It's a mutiny we're coming for you.
Our real present is our resignation.
Yeah.
And
mine will follow right after yours.
Come in, shut the door.
Like, that's it. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore.
I know.
It's like, yeah.
We,
Edible. No, not for you. Edible. That would be scary. You're just got a bad mental picture there.
It's not a pretty picture.
We figured this might help with the stress that you've been dealing with.
Quaaludes? I don't make those anymore.
Well, you know, for you and your wife, maybe.
that didn't work.
Now, if we had any of those, they wouldn't have made it to you.
Oh, gee.
I'm really scared to open this thing up.
Something jump out
You
at
probably should be.
you.
Oh.
Is there anything in it?
You gotta show off the card too.
Hello, bombshell.
Take a picture?
Are you taking a
Yeah,
picture?
well, I mean, it's a video.
Video?
Oh.
Great.
Yeah.
No, even worse.
Thank y'all. Thank you very
Dig
much.
deeper there.
Yeah, you might.
Come on, Charles. Give us more credit than that.
Steak and sex, my two favorite things.